Let's see how the K360 diagnostic software will help us with aspiration problems. You can see on this screen the main menu. From the main menu, we want to use the down arrow key to go down to diagnostics. Number 9 is the last one on the screen. When we get to that area, we want to use the right over key to go to the diagnostic screen. From that diagnostic screen, the next step that we need to do is we need to tell it that we want to go offline. So when we go to operational test, right here is the word offline. We need to punch that so that we can run these various valves and pumps during our testing. At this point, it comes up to the first one is the steam valve. We can turn the valve on and off using the arrow keys, the right and left arrow keys. For on, we turn it on, then we turn it off. You should hear a click on the system every time we turn on and off a valve. In this case, when we're looking at the aspiration valve, we would go to aspiration out valve and turn it on. Yes, it did click. That indicates the valve is functioning. Then we can go down to the aspiration intake valve and turn that on, and we know that both valves on the aspiration vessel are actuated. To turn them off, we go to the left. And there are other valves associated here that you can activate and deactivate depending on what you need to do, but the important thing is each one you should be able to hear the click as it activates and deactivates.